go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so today's style, I'm going to be using a Upart wig that was purchased from Unice hair or Unice hair. But yeah, you guys, so I'm just pretty much just taking everything out the box. And I did purchase this wig off of Amazon, and again, it is a Upart wig. It was a 16-inch Upart wig, and I must say, you guys, when I received this wig, it was like the curls in this wig was super nice. I didn't even have to curl it, which was a plus for me, and that's why I chose to name this video less than 10 minutes hairstyle, because that's exactly what it took me, less than 10 minutes. Okay guys, so right now I'm just kind of sectioning a small part in the front that I am going to leave out, because again, this is a Upart wig, and I'm going to leave that little small section out and like clamp it to the side, and then I'm going to braid the rest of my hair down. Okay guys, now that I have everything put away and hair is braided down, I'm just going to go ahead and put this Upart wig on. And I must say, the Upart wig, it wasn't as secure as I wanted it. They did have combs in there that I could have put down to help secure the wig, but I just felt like it wasn't as secure. I prefer like the little clamps that clamps the hair, that makes it a little more tighter. But overall, the wig did not move, it didn't go anywhere, but I could have just used a little more security on the wig. Okay guys, so all I'm pretty much doing right now is trying to blend my natural hair with the half a wig, and all I'm doing is pretty much just curling my hair to blend with the wig, because you know guys that I am natural, but right now my hair is, I believe, blown out, and I'm just trying to again match my hair with the half a wig, and it matched pretty good. As long as my hair is flat ironed out, it matched pretty good. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna continue to blend this hair with my own hair, and yeah, you guys, just continue to watch. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to take a little edge control by Carol Daughter. You know I love this edge control, and I'm going to kind of just slick my front down a little bit. I'm only going to just take a little bit just to kind of slick everything and just make it look neat. And yeah, once I'm done that, you guys, I think I'm gonna be pretty much done this look. And as I said, this look took me less than 10 minutes, and yeah, and it came out really good. Okay guys, so I am finishing up. I'm just flattening the hair down. But yeah, you guys, this is it. This is the finished look. And again, this wig took less than 10 minutes to do. If you're in a rush to get somewhere, this will be the perfect wig for you. So definitely let me know you guys' thoughts on this look, and definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel, and all the details of this wig will be down in the description bar. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.